Hi, I'm going to show you how to assemble the EVO Maxi. This is the largest in the range. Right, first of all, I recommend that you pre-bend everything first. This is the base, so you pre-bend these creases first. You can use your hands like this, or you can use the edge of a ruler like this. Just place it against the crease and up like that, place it against the crease and up like that as well. Don't need to bend it right over, just as long as that the creases are nicely done. Now we will be pushing in the corner sections, these diagonals here, these 4 diagonals here. Now this is a little bit tricky. You need to make sure that this is quite accurate. Because I've got fingernails, so this is a bit easier for me. You might find it easier if you bring up the 2 adjacent sides and just push into the corner there, and then bring the corner into the end sections here, the smaller face there. Again, fingernail right into the corner there, over and into that edge there, or you can use the end of a ruler. So all you need to do, just push it into this section here like that, quite simply, and into that corner there, and again just from the other angle. This is how you do it. Just push it into that corner there like that, and bend that there. Now we're going to be bending the 2 end flaps here and here. Now this is the bit, this is the most important bit. Now there are 2 creases on either end, and we need to fold accurately. So again, if you've got fingernails like me, you can just push into there and then bend these over, get a nice right angle there. Okay, again with your fingernails like that, or if you find it easier, use the edge of a ruler like this. So you can push that up like that, and that's and over like that. Again, nice 90 degrees on both sides. Now what we're going to do is we will then do the corner. Well, we're going to start putting together bringing the boxes up. So we bring the 2 long sides over like this, and the short side up. You'll find that the corner should fold in automatically almost. Keep your fingers there. Now what you do is hold on to that section there, and then just push one side of this flap over and upwards while holding on to this side here. Keep it all up, press down, and you should hear a click there. So bring this section, this long side up, hold it in, just press this bit here, you should hear a click, but it clicks into that slot there, and we do the same to the other side. Bring this end face up, hold this section here, and push that into there like that. That should click into there, and this bit over, and that just clicks into that slot there. So that there is your base for the Maxi. Put this to one side, and now we're going to do the lid. Again, as before, we pre-bend everything. You might find it easier with a ruler or your fingers, or your hand, sorry. I just find it quite easy just to do it like this. can see they're quite well creased anyway. Like this. Okay, and then we will, again, you'll find on the end bits, these are the bits we're going to crease now, you've got two creases which are very close together. You can use a ruler, just put it onto one of the creases and then do the other crease here like that. Again, having a nice 90-degree at either end, each side, sorry, or you could use your fingers again. Just make sure that each side is nicely creased. Okay, so what we're going to do then is assemble it, or put it all together now. Now we bring up these two bits that are sticking out here and there. So we just push the tab into the slot here, like this. Doesn't matter which way round you do it, like that. And you will see that it pushes up a little bit. So maybe you need to push that down a bit. Put these end caps up and over. You might need a bit of help with that. You might need to move this bit backwards and forwards, and as I say, press down on this bit in the middle, and then just push it up and over, and that just simply wedges into place there. Push the two corners in, and again here, that just goes into the tab. Push the tab into the slot there. Again, you might need to wiggle it backwards and forwards and keep it pressed down there. Bring the side up. Here I had to push it apart a little bit, and then just up and over and just press in there like that, and that will just wedge into place. So that's your lid there, and that there is your Maxi EVO. Thank you very much for watching.